Hi dear students, welcome back to the class. Last video we discussed about Rutherford atomic structure. So today we are going to discussing about the topic how do substances get electrically charged on rubbing. How the objects that get electrically charged on rubbing. That's we are going to discussing here. Okay. So you have any idea about this? The free electrons, they are the responsible for what? Electrification. Electrification of a body. Free electrons are responsible for what? Electrification of a body. So what is this free electrons? We already discussed about this free electrons. Yes, free electrons are they are present there outermost shell of a atomic structure. So the outermost shell of an atomic structure. Okay. So these electrons are the free electrons, which means these having very less attractive force. Okay. Very less pull attractive force. That means very less pull from the nucleus. So these we call as what? Free electrons. So because of these free electrons, what will be happen? The charges are passing, that means transferring. Charges are transferring. The frictional charging process results in the transfer of electrons between the two objects that's rubbed together. So when two bodies rub together, what will happen? Because of the frictional charging, what the electrons are transferred. The electrons are transferring. So this way, what will be happen? These charges are transferring. For example, when we rub rubber with the animal fur, both these bodies becomes what? Electrified. Both these bodies becomes electrified. Rubber has much greater attraction than an animal fur. Okay, so this is an example. So here, so when two bodies that rub together, they transfer the charges. Okay, here I took one glass rod and silk cloth. Okay, glass rod and silk cloth. So glass rod, that's a what? Body. Okay, this is the first body, and the silk cloth, that is the second body here. When we rub these two together, so see the glass rod that is rubbed with the what? Silk cloth. Okay, what will be happen here? See this glass rod, that means glass rod electrons that is transferred to where? Second body, that is silk cloth. Okay, so here that these electrons are, that means loss of electrons. Here it is what? Loss of electrons. So, less number of electrons than a number of protons from the nucleus. Less number of electrons than a number of protons from the nucleus. Okay, so here what will happen? This glass rod having fully positive charge. Positive electrification, which means what? Loss of electrons from the one body. Okay, which means that is transferred from one body to another body. So in the glass rod, that's what the electrons are transferred to the silk rod. So here these having what? Positive charge now. Okay, clear? And negative charge. You know that in our silk cloth that having what? Negative charge. Here it's gain more electrons. It's gain more electrons. Okay. So it's again got more electrons, which means negative charge than the positive charge from the nucleus. Okay, than the nucleus. So these having got negative charge. These having what? Negative charge. Negative electrification means what? Electrification of the body due to which what? Gain of electrons, which means excess of electrons as compared to the number of proton. It must be remembered that what this positive charge and negative charge that is what due to the electron transfer it's happened. Okay, not a proton. See, this electrification, which means positive or negative charge, that will be happen because of what? The transfer of electrons, not a proton transfer. Is it clear? Okay. When one body charged positively due to rubbing, in which we used to rubbing another body, so that becomes what? Negative charge. So one body that becomes positive charge and another body that becomes what? Negative charge. So this is what? Equal and opposite charges. This is what? Equal and opposite charges. This already we discussed in the video of what? Atomic structure. What are the causes of charging of two objects Charging of two objects when rubbed. What are the causes of charging of two? Now we are going to discussing the law of conservation of what? Electric charges. Law of conservation of electric charges. So you already know about a law of conservation of what? Energy. What says law of conservation of energy? Huh? Law of conservation of energy. Energy neither created nor destroyed. It can transfer in one form to another form. Okay, that means the energy remains same. Same only here also. Law of conservation of what? Electric charge. Law of conservation of electric charge. Law of conservation of electric charge. Here is also law of conservation of electric charge that state as what? The law that states what? Electric energy neither created nor destroyed in a closed system. So electric energy neither created nor destroyed in a closed system. The amount of charge remains the same. That is what? Law of conservation of electric charge. Okay. So what is law of conservation of electric charge? The electric energy can neither created nor destroyed. Okay. In a closed system. In a closed system, and amount of charges remains same. Okay. Sum total of electrons in a system is a what? Constant quantity. For example, see here I taken one glass rod and silk cloth. What we done before it same only. Okay. When glass rod that is rubbed with a silk cloth, what will be happen here? Yes, from the glass rod the what free electrons are transferred to the silk rod. So these here in the glass rod having what? Loss of electrons. Glass rod having what? Loss of electrons. Okay. So which charge is here? Positive charge. So glass rod having what? Positive charge. Okay. Glass rod that is having what? Positive charge. And the silk. See, then now our silk having excess of electrons. Excess of electrons. So electrons having which energy? That means which charge? Negative charge. So our silk cloth that's having what? Negative charge. Okay, clear? And same as take one ebonite rod and cat skin. Take one ebonite rod and cat skin. When this ebonite rod is rubbed with a cat skin, what will happen? You know, from the cat skin, what the free electrons are transferred to the ebonite rod. Okay. So here what will be happen? The ebonite rod having excess of electrons, so this what? Negative charge. And cat skin. Okay, cat skin having loss of electrons, that's having what? Positive charge. Okay, so see here in the both case, in case of the glass rod and the silk and what? Ebonite rod and the cat skin, the both in case of what? The charges are remaining same. Total of electrons in the system of glass rod, silk and ebonite rod and cat skin remain same. So here that what? Electric charge that's conserved. Okay. I hope all of you understand this topic. Okay, thank you.